Hey guys, Rick Kern of TV Scaly Adventures, and I'm out here with a group of friends of mine, a herd of llamas, and, with all due respect, one alpaca. And you know, one of the things we learned while we were here filming at Smoky Mountain Llama Treks is that these guys are herd animals. They actually stay together. In fact, they thrive together. You don't ever own just one llama. A good llama owner owns several because they know that these guys look out for each other. It's actually part of their social well-being. Now, see, we all here as humans have social networks, and we think that we know a lot of people because we have 3,000 people on Facebook or Instagram that follow us. But how many of those people do you really know? And if you had a problem, how many of them could you reach out to? Well, the cool thing that's interesting is what we can learn from llamas. These guys surround themselves with people who also share their best interest. You see, if one of these guys spots danger, he makes a sound and let everyone else around him know about it. So I'm just going to encourage you to ask yourself, who's in my herd? Are you surrounding yourself with good, positive people, or are you surrounding yourself with people who don't really have your back? Again, who's in your herd? Stay tuned to Scaly Adventures for more cool stuff like this, and we'll see you at scalyadventures.com.